how do you categorize it? I mean, Tai Chi can reduce only stress levels or anxiety or depression as well, or it reduces everything.
Everything, everything, because we know, today we know, exercise of any kind, movement, even taking a walk outside, helps to relieve anxiety, depression, stress. Uh, is it going to cure depression? Probably not. You probably, for depression, you depending on how serious it is, you may need intervention. But but it helps you, I believe, because you become very cognizant. You become very aware of balance, not just physical balance, emotional balance, life balance, uh, which a lot of people are not aware of. So they, let's say, they work too much, and when they work too much, they neglect other aspects of their family or life. Uh, there has to be a balance in everything you do. If it's out of balance, then it's no good. Right, right. Uh,
What are the books would do you recommend uh, if for learning Tai Chi maybe, or maybe anything to energy work?
for yeah, for Tai Chi, well, of course, I recommend my teacher's books. William Ting, Ting. He's written a couple of books in the form of questions and answers.
Okay, so I
If
should search
people who
that.
want to learn Tai Chi, I will tell you right now, you cannot learn Tai Chi from a book.
Okay,
Okay? You can learn concepts and ideas and understandings from a book, but to learn how to move, it's like trying to teach someone how to play a piano from a book. It just doesn't work. Okay? So if there are YouTube videos, thousands of YouTube videos about Tai Chi. But there are different styles of Tai Chi. So it's not just one. There are many different styles. Uh, to find the key is to find the right teacher.
so how
Okay, that's
how
really the key.
what are the characteristics of a good teacher or good, I mean, mentor, sensei?
Well, yeah. First, they have to be very skilled
Okay.
to understand Tai Chi. You really have to be very, very skilled. Um,
No, I mean, I am talking from a layman perspective. If someone
yeah,
who
how would
is
you know? Yes, you don't. That's the problem. Most people start with a teacher and they don't really know if they're good or bad.
yeah.
But because they don't know, they think, "Oh, my teacher is the best in the world." You know, nah, you can't help that. But you can join. There are groups on Facebook, for example. There are chat groups for Tai Chi, and you can ask questions. Say, "My teacher says to do it this way. What does your teacher say?" And you get other people's opinions, and then you say,
Okay.
okay, this sounds
This
right.
sound
This sounds
weird.
wrong."
Weird. Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So I mean, it's all about connecting with people. Again, technology comes again. So you need to connect with different people,
Yes,
with
yes,
different individuals all around the world, and learn from them.
yes,
So